My name is Leni Paola Gallo Mancipe. I am 29 years. I am Colombia nationality. I was born in the municipality of the Beteitiva, Boyacá. I currently live in Nazareth in Berjol with my son and my husband. My son is called Alejandro Gomez and his 4 years. It likes to play soccer and love animals. My husband's name is Eus Gomez. We have been married for 2 years. We share a taste for experiencing new things. We like to go cycling on weekends. Currently, and studying in the ninth semester of environmental engineering. I have 8 subjects left to finish my dry in October. I present the text to NOC Pro, which are a requirement to be able to graduate. I like my career. I have not just been able to park in a fuel base. I love everything that has to do with environment. I do not like the mastermind. I know it bothers me that text mastery then because Giamont brings things of us would not stop to think about the needs of animals, for example, dogs or cats. I traveled the few years south to the island of San Andres. Airlines times being able to knock the sea. It is a miracle place to enjoy with the family. They were some days with the average temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. With stayed at Torrance Half Hotel, the attention we is very good. The people are very cordial with the tourists. We were at sea, and you might watch beautiful sunset. We went queuing in a snorkel. The color, the feature, beautiful. We went live to go Cancun to enjoy the sun and the beach, to know the archaeological sun and the Mayans. For example, the archaeology in of the king, to be able to taste the typical food of Mexico and do an extreme stomp sang as jumping and ziplining through the many young. We would also like to swim in the sea, saddened by the beautiful colors since the fish know the second largest coral reef in the world. Thank you.